First car wash, 24 Integra Type S. Wow. You know, when your car makes you smile, that's when that's when you know that you love your car. Yeah, no, I really like the front end. Look at this thing, it's just very, very aggressive. It's mean looking. The fenders are way wider. I really wish that they had Brembos in the back. That would have been a lot nicer. But, you know, it is what it is. I think someone said that they were getting a Brembo brake cover for the back. But yeah, such a beautiful car. I really love red. If you guys notice, red is my favorite color. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, so it's already ceramic coated. That's why you can see me really shiny. Yeah, all I gotta do is just clean the wheels and I'm done. Well, I hope everyone has a Merry Christmas. Type S. Comment below if you like the Type S more than the Type R. Well, both are beautiful cars, no doubt. As you can see, I added the mud flaps or the splash guards, whatever you want to call it. I feel like it's a nice little touch. Wow, just a beautiful car. And I also noticed the headlights are way brighter than the Type R. Yep, so all I gotta do is clean the wheels and she's ready. She's already broken in as well. I think I have about 520 miles. Yeah, windows are tinted. Looking nice. Wheels are clean. Car is looking good. Man, beautiful. I don't think Acura did anything bad on this car. Like, everything looks so perfect.